Right, what we have here is a Manrose branded extractor fan. The model number is MG100T. For those of you in the UK, this is Screwfix part code 62530. I've had a couple of these, and basically the timer circuit seems to pack up on them. And I've got a pretty good idea why. If you have a look at that plastic moulding, you see there's some rather noticeable scorch marks. And that's because the big wire wound resistor that I've got my thumb on there runs very, very hot, and you can actually see scorch marks on the board. And what I think happens is it dries out the electrolyte in one or other or both of the capacitors. Now, the two examples I've had, these are on a 5-year warranty, by the way, so I've had one that's failed just outside of the 5 years. What I've done is replace both capacitors. That one's a 47 microfarad 16 volt capacitor. This one's 470. You can see the two old capacitors here that I've removed. You'll also note that I've actually fitted an axial capacitor for the 470. The reason for that is it's very, very close to that resistor normally if you fit a single-ended capacitor. So I've just tried to arrange it so it's further away from the heat of the resistor and hopefully give it a bit of a longer life. So few pence for the components versus 28 quid I think for the replacement fan if you've got one that fails outside a warranty. So there you go, nice easy fix. And by the way, just remember the polarity of the electrolytics. They are polarity dependent.